Thank you very much for watching my little life channel. In this channel, I introduce Japanese food and culture from London. In previous video, I introduced how to cook mochi with pan fry. And today, I'm gonna make traditional Japanese soup with mochi. This is called Zouni, and it's only being eaten for New Year's celebration. But this soup is good for all year round, super easy and volumey, so it's another good way of eating mochi as well as pan fry or grill way. Let's see how it's done. Firstly, cut vegetable. Make it round and then make it into quarter. We call this shape as fan shape because it looks like fan. Horseradish and shiitake mushroom is maybe not common in this country, but I strongly recommend it because it gives nice different color, white, orange, brown. If you don't have it, it's still fine. Maybe you can use another root vegetables or mushrooms. Cut chicken breast into dice. This gives nice broth for the soup. Then for soup, you need Japanese rice wine, sake for cooking, and soy sauce. Also, dashi powder. Now boil hot water. Then add 1 spoon of sake rice wine. Then put chicken into boiling water and just cook a few minutes till it's boiled properly. Don't forget, skim the foam from the top of the soup. Then put vegetables, especially root vegetable. Keep boiling until the root vegetable gets soft enough, like this. And then ready. Now add a packet of dashi. Also soy sauce. Check your taste of the soup. If it's too thin, you might add more soy sauce. Now cut Japanese style mochi into smaller pieces. and put into the soup. After 3 to 5 minutes, mochi getting quite soft. Once it's soft enough, it's edible, but to me, this is not quite ready yet. Once mochi is getting like this much soft, melting and slimy, this is the sign and the best time. But don't do that too much, because mochi get really slimy and melt, and eventually it's disappeared in the soup. Add spring onion as a garnish at the end, and simmer probably just 1 minute. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you are interested in Japanese cooking, please check my another video. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.